let's say I just exported this awesome video here with my start point and end point, and now I can't find it. What I want to do is come up, select file, select export, select media, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you the file path location that you last exported right here. So if we look at the location, we can see it went into 8042 tutorials, final tutorials. And then what you want to do is you can open up your files on your computer and you can go into and match the file path. So it's under drive F here. So that's under the external hard drive that we got plugged in. And then it's under 8042 tutorials. So we're going to double click in that folder. And then we got final tutorials. We'll double click in that folder. Your video is going to be in here. All right. So your video is in this folder. You can either sift through all the files you have, or boom, this one stands out to me. I can see my video. And now I know exactly where I exported it, so I can send it to somebody, bring it back into Premiere Pro, upload it to your website, whatever you have to do. So hopefully that helped. If it didn't, drop a comment below. Let us know what you're struggling with. We record all kinds of quick, simple tutorials. My focus is Premiere Pro, but we do all kinds of stuff.